Scheduling a live stream to YouTube is a pain, but if you use Ecamm Live, it's so much easier. I'm going to show you how you can do that real quick. So when you pull it up, this is what will come on. Now I don't have my camera turned on because I'm not going live right now, so I don't need to. But what you do is down here where it says destination, and it gives you Facebook or Periscope or Twitch or YouTube or Restream, Switchboard. You can put in a custom stream key, or if you just wanted to record a video with Ecamm Live, you could do that as well. But we're going to say YouTube. And then for my live streams, I just go ahead and have them set to public. And then right here, schedule new live event. So it's really simple. Again, I like to put mine as public. And then what I say is my live streams are called Edit With Me Wednesday. Next live stream is the 18th. So I would come in here and I would put that date. And I would put the time. So I do my live streams at 7 p.m. Central Time. I like to put the date in the description just so people can remember it. And then right here, you can go ahead and upload image. And so I already have an image that I use for my live stream. So I just clicked and dragged it into there. If that wasn't the one I wanted, I could click here. I just like to click and drag it in there because it's easiest. And then what you do is you just hit schedule. So this is important. Broadcast scheduled. The broadcast has been scheduled. Note that the scheduled broadcast will not be visible on your channel until you change the promote to my channel page setting in your broadcast advanced settings on YouTube. Blah, blah, blah. Now what you want to do is you want to hit visit settings. You don't want to hit OK. I mean, you can just hit OK, but when you hit visit settings, it just helps a lot more. You can also see down here on Ecamm Live, it lets you know in 6 days. And then right here, now when you want to go live, it will have the when you can go live. So I'm going to go to visit settings. This is the YouTube side. So it comes up here as live stream. So I don't want that to be my title. I want it to say Edit With Me Wednesday, and then the date. And then I want to edit my time to Central and make sure that the right time is in there. I could go in here and go ahead and put some tags in. So I like to always put my title, Edit With Me. I use Premiere Pro, so I like to put that in here. I also like to put my channel name just because it helps as well. And I always do Lindsey Hazel with a space and then Lindsey Hazel without a space. I'm going to go to advanced settings. Now this is important too. So I want live chat on. I don't want slow mode. I don't like that. You can change whatever your category is. Now I'm going to be editing a video, so I'm going to change it to film and animation. Now this is important. So right here it says promote on my channel page. Now I like to do this a few days ahead of time. So I might say like 2 days before, or you could even say 1 week prior. So I could just go ahead and put 1 week prior, and then people will know all week like that they can join my next live stream and go ahead and just set a reminder and have it there. And then there are some other things that you can do. Yeah, that's what I like to do, and I'm just gonna hit save, and then that will be ready. When I go to my channel, it will have for next week. So see, it says like set reminder, and it has 9/18/19, and then it will come up and people can go ahead and save it. Now sometimes I'll do the 2 days ahead or 1 day ahead, but this way, you know, I'm gonna test it out and see how it does. Now you can see on Ecamm Live, if I wanted to go live, all I have to do is know that it's on YouTube, and then here's my scheduled event. Now, if I wanted to schedule a new event, if I was doing a different live stream with someone else, I could just come in here and set up a new one. And then that way, whenever I needed to go live, all I had to do was come here and then go live. And so you can actually test this before you go live and see how it works. And that's always important too. I use this tool every week because I go live every Wednesday at 7 p.m. Central Time on YouTube. and I wouldn't be able to do it without Ecamm Live. So if you're interested in trying it out today, click the link below and you can use the free trial before you buy the tool. Let me know if this helped you, and I hope you're having a good day. I'll see you next time. Bye. Then when I go to my channel, I always do that. Easy peasy, right? Okay.